everybody. My name is Melissa Bender and I'm super excited to work out with you today. I hope that you guys are ready. We have a 15-minute interval workout today. So we're going to do 15 rounds, 10 seconds of rest, 50 seconds, as many reps as you can get in. So our standard format that we've been doing, I hope you guys have enjoyed the different structures that I've been incorporating into our new workouts lately. So without further ado, let's get started. You don't need any equipment for this workout. My timer is set and we are ready to go. So we're gonna start with toe touch push-ups. Here we go. Core is gonna stay strong. If you need to do a toe touch plank instead, that's fine. Push up. We're gonna tap one, hit center, tap the other, repeat. Hit your plank in between. Whoops, I started early, so now's when you're supposed to be starting. Good job, guys. Core strong. We're getting there, guys. Keep moving. Hit that plank in between. Push up. Last 5 seconds or so. Okay, good job. Lunge jumps are next. I'm going to try and turn up the volume. There we go. Core strong again. Now we can hear it. If this is too high impact, you can switch and switch. Choose the variation that's best for you. Good job, guys. Feel the burn. Whew. 5 seconds, we've got this. Good job. Angel abs down on the floor for this one. Belly pulls in. Modification is hands on the floor, knees drop, under, lift. Harder. Arms straight out. Pointing. Legs lowering around and down. There we go, I found my balance. Breathe through it. Good job, guys. We're getting there. Keep moving, don't quit. Almost there. Surfers. Okay, guys, so for these, pretend you're on a surfboard. We're gonna jump up into the air and switch. Butt reaches back, just like it does in a squat. I like to switch directions to keep it dynamic. Breathe. Good job, guys. Breathe through it. 10 seconds. Good job. Okay. Oblique lower leg tap. So we're gonna come into a forearm side plank. Top leg's gonna take your weight. Bottom leg's gonna bend, tap, reach under, tap, tap, reach through, tap. Great core move. Doing good, guys. Getting closer. Stick through it. If it gets crazy, hold your side plank. Ooh, 4 seconds. Okay, good job. We're gonna do the other side. Shake it out. Here we go. Tap, tap. Hips are stacked. Good job, guys. Breathe. How close are we? About 10 seconds, I think. Good job, guys. Okay, another cardio move. We're doing donkey kicks. So lower impact modification is going to be drive 1 foot up at a time. Higher impact, kick your own butt. Doing great, guys. Almost there. 10 seconds. You guys can do it. Good job, guys. Forward, backward, lunge, hop. All one side, then the other. Shake it out. So we're gonna step back into a lunge. We're gonna hop that leg up and then big step forward. All one side, then all the other. Hop it up. Hop it back. My legs are tired. Means the muscles are working. We're getting there, guys. Struggling through, but keep moving. Other side. Same exact thing, just the other leg moving. Hop it up. Good job, guys. Short but challenging workout. We're more than halfway through it. Ooh. Find my balance. Hop it through. Okay. Leg hip lift, so core move next. We're gonna lay on the mat. Easier modification, hands go down at your sides or under your butt. Harder, shoulders lift. We're gonna lift and press. Lower, repeat. Belly stays pulled in the whole time. Good job, guys. Doing great, guys. Breathe through it. Okay. Next we have low jack. So like a jumping jack, but we're gonna keep it in a low squat. Burn those thighs just a little bit more. Hands can come forward or behind your head. Go as low as you can. Good job, guys. Ooh, just shake it out. Less than 15 seconds, so we can do this. Okay, leg circles. Laying down for this one. I'll angle myself a little bit. Here. Belly stays in, arms lift. One leg's gonna drop, top leg's gonna circle. Like you're tracing a circle in the air with your foot. Switch directions. Belly stays pulled in. Switch. Other side. Good job, guys. Switch. Switch. Rest. We're going to do the other side next. It just feels good to stay still for a few seconds. Hopefully you guys are tired too. Belly in, arms lifted, bottom leg drops, so other leg is circling this time. Switch the direction of your circle. Switch. 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 We're getting there, guys. Okay, one more exercise. Oh, two more exercises. Sorry, guys. Squat jump. Okay, arms reach, butt reaches back, jump. Butt reaches back every time. Good job, guys. Land toe to heel. Out if you need to, keep going. Almost there. 10 seconds. Last exercise. Seated rotation. Legs are going to be wide. Arms start out stretching forward, reach behind with one arm, center, reach, center. Using the core, deep core muscles to move your body. Look behind you. Good job, guys. Reach. 10 seconds. Yay! Okay, guys. Really good job with today's workout. Grab some water if you want to repeat the workout to make it longer, more intense. You can if you want to be done. Great job. This was a really good workout even on its own. So you can be done, just do a cool down and some gentle stretching. For your cool down, march in place or do gentle jumping jacks to let your heart rate calm down, and then do some basic stretches to work the hips, the shoulders, a little bit of everything. I hope you enjoyed the workout. As always, the breakdown will be free on my website, benderfitness.com, and I'm hosting a new diet bet challenge starting January 14th. For anyone looking to lose weight, hit weight loss goals, and win money for it, you could check that out, dietbet.com/benderfitness. As always, thanks for working out with me, and I will see you guys soon with a new workout. Bye, guys.